Welcome to another video. This is your Tactical Power Pro, and as always, I'm here to give you guys tips and tricks of what to do when you have generator issues. And today we have this 4000 watts Predator generator that does not start. So let's go ahead and find out what to do if you have a portable generator that does not start. So this particular unit has a full tank of gas and a new spark plug which is creating spark. So we need the fuel to reach the carburetor. Once in the carburetor, go through the main jet so it can get mixed with air, and then go to your chamber, which will get burned by the spark plug, and that clearly is not happening. So if the mixture of air and fuel is not happening, that tells you that you have an issue with your carburetor. So let's go ahead and pull the carburetor out. The carburetor on the outside looks pretty good. Just a little bit of dirt, dust, but no rust. Let's go ahead and see how the carburetor looks on the inside. Inside the carburetor is totally different. We can see how dirty this bowl is. And this happens when you leave fuel inside your carburetor for more than 30 days. The fuel starts forming a varnish-like material that clogs up your small jets and ports. And here we found the number one reason of why portable generators and inverters won't start. And that is, of course, a clogged main jet. I'll be putting the camera down so I can clean up this carburetor real good. I'll see you guys in a sec. This is how your emulsion tube and the main jet should look like. Nice and clean and clog free. Now fuel will pass through with no issues. And here we have the carburetor after using the carburetor cleaner spray, a carburetor cleaner kit, and a wire brush. Looks pretty nice and clean. Look how shiny this bowl looks. You can find some of these items in my description box below. The carburetor is nice and clean. I installed it back on the generator. Now it's time to give it a start and see what we got. And there you go, the generator is running. I mean, it's running like shit, but that's something we will tackle on another video. Don't neglect that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know down below the conditions of your generator.